Hey guys, Robert Barry here from Team Cash Blueprint. And guys, what I want to do today is I want to give you guys a little bit of my updated results on the success that I'm having with this business that I'm a part of, which is $25 one up. And so if you guys are out there and you're looking for a way to make some extra income, this opportunity is worth checking out. I'll tell you guys one of the main reasons, and I go more in depth as to why I joined, but the main reason why I decided to join this opportunity is because number one, there is no monthly fees, absolutely no monthly fees. So when I look at this opportunity versus other business opportunities or other business models that I'm a part of out there, it's a huge difference, because with those other businesses I have to worry about maintaining a monthly or bi-weekly subscription, whereas with $25 one up there is absolutely no monthly fees. Okay, my second reason for joining this business is because the tools that you unlock when you come in on every level, it is amazing. This particular company teaches you to brand yourself and not the business. Okay, and I think that's where a lot of marketers go wrong in today's marketing industry. All right, and those are just some of or two of the main reasons why I joined this company. But when you guys go ahead and click the link if you're interested in making a few extra bucks online, you would see that there is a trailer load of benefits of joining this particular business. And so what I want to do right now is just give you guys a little background on myself, sort of give you an update as to some of the things that I've been doing lately, and then I want to go into $25 one up, why you should join, and how you can go about joining. And then I will also give you some of my results as it relates to $25 one up, right? Okay, so my name is Robert Barry. I'm a father of one son. I live in the beautiful islands of the Bahamas. You know what? I'll take you guys out to see what the outdoors looking like. Currently, the Bahamas is in a full lockdown because of this coronavirus. Yep, so I'll just give you guys a little, show you guys a little bit. So I am on a hill overlooking the ocean, if you guys can see. Yep, so I just want to give you guys that little peep of my neck of the woods, right? And so yeah, I live in the Bahamas. I am a part-time marketer. I am a full-time bartender by profession, and so I'm building my online presence part-time, right? And so what that means is every time or every spare moment that I have is either dedicated to my family or it is spent building my business. So for persons that are out there that's thinking, you know, it's too much work to get into the online marketing space, I'll tell you this: if your dream is to one day become financially free, and you love the idea of being able to work anywhere in the world, as it says here on the capture page that you're looking at, work from the beach. You know, you can work on a beautiful beach, you can work from a beautiful hotel, you can work from the comfort of your home. And so I want to just like sort of motivate someone out there. You know, it is doable. All right, and this is this is a global business. You know, you can tap into this business anywhere in the world. So like I said, guys, if you guys are out there and you're looking for something to do, you need some extra cash, this is the business. My website link would be at the very bottom of this video. I am here to answer any questions, any concerns, any queries that you may have. You can kindly post them right at the bottom of this video. Also, I'm going to leave my Facebook link at the very bottom of this video as well. So if you guys are out there and you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead, smash that subscribe button, click on that bell so you guys will be updated every time that I post fresh content to my channel, right? So at this time, guys, I really want to get into like motivating persons out there that has a little self-belief problem. They have a like myself in the beginning, I had a non-consistent effort, right? And I can tell you one thing: you can have all of the skill sets in the world, but if you aren't consistent with carrying out those skill sets and doing the necessary things that you need to do inside of your business, you won't ever have any success, right? And so what I do is that I teach business owners out there how to leverage their social media profiles in order to make money. And so I teach you how to generate organic leads via your social media profiles, right? And these are the kinds of digital tools that you unlock within the $25 one-up system. Who can't use digital tools? You can use these skill set that you're going to be taught inside of the $25 one-up back office in a brick and mortar business. You know, a lot of companies out there are looking for persons that can manage a Instagram, a Twitter, a Facebook page. All of these skill sets are taught in the back office of the $25 one-up back office. And that's just one aspect of this business, right? And so right now, it is time to tell the truth. It is the time now for me to go in and just show you guys some of my results. And I'll be, you know, I want to be pretty frank. I believe in being totally honest with you guys. I was not always successful. There were many days when I wanted to give up. You know, I spent thousands and thousands of dollars that I could have taken and take my family on vacation or spend on some bills or something. But I decided to make a sacrifice, and I ended up losing thousands of dollars. So I know some of the pain points that persons are going through in their heads. But I can tell you, if you invest your money and you invest your time and you're consistent and you're passionate and you work out and you are at the point where, you know what, I have to make this work. Trust me, you will sit there and you will do what it is that is necessary in order for you to be successful. So at this time now, I'm going to take you guys into my email, so you guys can see that that what I do, I am generating consistent leads, and then I'm following up with those leads and turning those leads into business partners. You know, one thing we always forget as marketers: every single lead, right, is an actual person. Behind that email, there is an actual person. And so sharing your story helps to build rapport. People buy and purchase from people they know, like, and trust. All right. So at this time, guys, I'm going to take you into my email, right? So as you guys can see, right, in the corner here, there's a picture of me, right? This is my email back office. And so if you guys can see here at 10:42 a.m., I had someone clicked on my link and they entered their information into my capture page. All right. This goes as far as August 5th, August 15th, August 13th. I had 4 persons opted in. I had a few more. And then on August 8th, if you guys can see right here, I had 20 persons opted into my capture page. And all of these opt-ins are organic, right? I didn't purchase any traffic. I didn't do any Google AdWords, anything like that, right? As you can see, 8, 4, 4. So you guys can see that I am getting persons to actually put their information inside of the capture page, and they're interested in my business. And so this, what you're looking at, is one of my capture page to my businesses, right? And I always try to stay fresh, current. I think this is a beautiful, beautiful, well done capture page. And you guys, if you decide to join with me, you will have access to this very capture page and other like this as well, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a little bit of the cash that I've made with inside of this very system. And so right now we're in the back office of $25 one-up, my $25 one-up. And at the time of recording this video, I am at the platinum level. And so being at the platinum level, I am able to earn unlimited $125 commissions, right? At that level, that is very significant, because making unlimited $125 can be very, very powerful. You have over 70 to 80% of persons that are out there in the online marketing industry have never made a dollar before in their lives. All right, so I'm going to just pause this video real quick. All right, so guys, due to the fact that I need to protect person's personal emails and first and last name and all that stuff, I was forced to pause the video and enlarge the screen, but I am still in the back office of my $25 one-up. So if you guys can look, you can see there's a picture of me, right? There's my name, Robert Barry, and you can see I've made $650 all time. In the last 365 days, I've made $625, right? And that may not be a lot to many persons out there, but I can tell you, coming from someone that has never made or hardly made any money online, this is starting to add up. Yeah, and it's for the main purpose because I am being taught to brand myself and not a business, right? I'm not tying myself to a business. I'm branding Robert Barry, and I'm showing others how to duplicate this, and it is now reflecting in my all-time income, right? And so I'm just going to show you guys, scroll down a little bit so you guys can see. And another thing that I love about this business is the pay is direct and it is instantly, right? So you guys can say made a 25, 25, 25, 100, 25, 100, 25, 100. So you guys can see that I am making money. I'm showing my team how to duplicate, right? That is a huge, huge benefit. You know, you're building a team atmosphere where no man is left behind, and that is what I teach my people, right? And so I want to take you guys really quick. One more look. I want to take you guys really quickly over to my personal Facebook page, right? Okay, so now we're in the back office of my Facebook page, right? And what I do, like I said, I teach people how to generate leads, how to use their personal social media profiles in order to gain business partners organically, right? So here is, I took a quick snapshot of our team Zoom call yesterday, and I was just simply posting it. You know, digital marketing skills, branding, social media marketing, building your own tribe / following, lead generation, follow-up, mindset, motivation, and your daily 6. And so the daily 6 are 6 key things that we do in our tribe every day to gain organic traffic. So when you join me at the platinum level or higher, we give you a 14-day blueprint that takes all of the hard thinking, what it is that you need to do on a daily basis, right? And so you just jump right into action, and you're able to start to execute your business. So here I am making $100. I'm celebrating that $100 commission on that particular day, right? So as you guys can see, we set you up for success, right? So if you guys are interested in learning the proper way of gaining business partners organically through your social media, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, we teach you all of these skill set. And so, like I said, my link would be at the very bottom of this video. I would be happy to answer any questions. That is it for today, guys. I hope that everyone stays safe. Continue to do your best. Practice the social distancing. Wash your hands properly. And I pray that you guys will be around to catch my next video soon. You guys be blessed. And remember, sharing is caring. Peace out.